Deep alignment for the mind. Memetics. Memetics is the idea that information is very similar to genes, to the information which is information to the information about how nature wants to build our bodies. But memes, the elements of memetics, are ideas that we pass along between our minds. And deep alignment for the mind is largely built on the idea of memetics. So imagine those memes as little building blocks, like Lego bricks. And for the first 7 years of your life, the people around you, your parents, the school, your siblings, your friends, whoever, put in those Lego bricks. They created a structure in your mind that was, in their view, consciously or subconsciously, helpful for you to navigate the world. Each of those Lego bricks represents what we call heuristics. Heuristic means that there is a rule of thumb that works most of the time, and it works very quickly. You don't have to do a lot of thinking. And our brain likes that because it takes a lot of energy to think. And the most energy it takes is in your prefrontal cortex up here. The latest, most modern part of your brain. That's what makes you conscious, that's what makes you human. 95% of our thinking happens elsewhere because that's more energy efficient. It happens in your subconscious mind based on the heuristics that are those Lego bricks or memes that somebody else put in your mind. 95%. So if you make up your mind about the world, making up your mind with your conscious, with your prefrontal cortex, maybe that mind is not aligned with the 95% of the stuff in your subconscious. So what we do with deep alignment for the mind, we use tools to remove stuff out of our subconscious that we don't need there anymore, and put in new stuff that is aligned with our prefrontal cortex. That's what happens. So the exercise today, the first step into this, is to start making space in your subconscious. And we do this with a technique I call offloading. And the way this works is, you sit down with a piece of paper or in front of your computer, or if you want on your phone, and you write down what comes up, whatever comes up. And the more you let go, the more you allow yourself to articulate things you would never ever articulate, be truly authentic, the better. And that can be a little scary because you're suddenly writing down things that you would never share with another human. And you shouldn't. So this is why whatever you write, you will destroy it afterwards. So if you write on paper, burn the paper. Or do whatever you think, flush it down the toilet, whatever. No, probably not, but whatever. Destroy it. So no other human will ever be able to read this. This is critical. Write whatever comes and articulate it, very important to get it out of the mud of your subconscious into your conscious. You have to articulate, you have to verbalize it, put it into sentences, but don't care too much about the coherence of those sentences. Don't care about orthography. It doesn't matter, just put it into words. Let it flow. Be mean, be full of desire and lust, and whatever happens, doesn't matter. Put it out there and never ever allow anybody to read this. The way I do this, I write on my computer because I feel more comfortable writing fast on a computer, and then I encrypt that file and I delete it. It's very childish, but that process helps me get the feeling that I'm actually making sure that nobody will ever be able to read this. So, whatever your technique, it's up to you. What you have to do is let go of everything. Be truly yourself, authentic, let it out, and then destroy it.